The last few years have been particularly challenging for us all as nurses, but you've all been incredible and continue to be an invaluable asset to our organisation. You, being at the forefront of the care we provide for our patients, truly are the backbone and the heart of what we do. As we celebrate International Nurses Day, we want to appreciate the impact and the difference that you make. You've worked tirelessly and have displayed courage, compassion and resilience throughout. We all come from different backgrounds, different parts of the world, but we're united in our shared purpose and values. We are united in the care we provide for our patients. Thank you for your dedication, for your hard work, and for keeping the patients at the heart of everything we do. All of you are truly an inspiration.